Hi, my dear kids. I hope that you all are fine and happy. In last few classes, we have discussed about self-love, care, self-esteem, etc. So, is it enough that you only love you care for yourself? Now you all will be thinking, what else should I do? Do you know? Today we will be discussing about, yes, care about others. So, what is actually this caring for others? Caring others is nothing but helping others in different ways. These are the duties and responsibilities of you as a child towards the society in which you live. So, the main areas where you must render your services are your home, the environment, your school, and the society to which you belong. At home, yes, you can help your dad in washing car, greet your elders, help your mom in washing utensils, cleaning the mess, pressing your dress, watering the plants, cleaning and wiping the glass, windows, keeping the floor clean, and also try to help your mom in cooking some tasty snacks. Then comes your school. Now, if you are thinking how, there it goes. You can help your little friend by solving his doubts, by guiding him. You can share your snacks with your friend of yours who has no snacks. Maintain your classroom decorum by cleaning it and making it tidy and neat. Or even help out your teacher in carrying books. You can help and express your concern for the teacher by making his or her day happy. Next, take care of the nature. Why nature? Because the earth who was happy before is very sad now. Do you know why? It's because of pollution. In environment, if you are thinking, what can I do as a child? Then let me say, remind you, what can't you do as a child? You can help Mama Earth by picking up those plastic bottles, cleaning and recycling the waste. You can also paint your backboard which was left degraded due to waste littering. Save water. Kids, water is very necessary resource for all of us. How can you conserve water to help Mother Earth? Yes, next time when you brush, take little water instead of letting the tap open the whole time. Don't waste water while bathing, cooking, or even gardening. Take care to fix up the leakages in order to preserve water. Kids, you need to be part of the solution and not part of the pollution. Don't you know that? We won't have a society if we destroy the environment now. Are you all ready to watch a video now? Then let's go.
The students of Senior Public School were known for their moral values, and amongst them, Samir, Kunal, and Karthik were three such students who had a solution for every matter. One day, as Samir was returning home from school, he saw a cow chewing a plastic bag. Just then, another garbage bag fell from a building in front. Samir, on seeing this, felt concerned and started thinking about it. As he researched on Google, he found out that plastic has taken over the world and plastic became a matter of concern for him. One day, he spoke to his friends.
Hey, do you know that the ocean contains more than 5 trillion plastic pieces? What? 5 trillion? Now think about our daily lives. From the moment we wake up till the time we sleep, we are surrounded by plastic like toothbrush, lunchbox, water bottle and plastic bags which we use and throw.
Then we must do something about it.
Yes, why don't we make a project on it? Maybe that will help us.
Together, they built a report and presented to the class. As they were explaining it to the other kids,
Every day we use more than 500 million plastic straws. The real question is, do we even need straws to drink?
There are other things related to plastic that is used and thrown, like computer parts, TV, furniture, mats, and car parts too.
We have found a solution for this and we need your help to achieve its target. We need to think about the future and act on it today. Thank you.
as the days went by, kids began joining their movement and began making paper bags at school. The video was also shared on social media, which gathered even more attention. In a few days, they opened a stall right next to the school canteen, where they would sell these paper bags at marginal rates, and the demand for plastic began decreasing, through which they began making carry bags. And the principal introduced sewing as a subject for hobby classes. Many students could now show their creativity in making colorful carry bags. We don't need plastic, do you? As time went by, Senior Public School became a plastic-free zone. And these three friends became a pillar of inspiration for the other kids. So they started with a new campaign, Go Earthen. Samir, Kunal and Karthik converted their hobby into a business model and started a small company. With time, these three started giving interviews in radio stations. Even the newspapers began writing about them. By taking a firm action, they started changing the society. Always remember, to do something big, we must start small. And with time, the world unites to make the dream come true.
The best way to find yourself is to lose yourself in the services of others. Children, nobody on earth can ever love you more than your parents. So, you need to love and care them the most, like they are caring you now. I'm sure that my kids will make the society the best place for your words and deeds. Thank you, little ones. Stay healthy, safe. Bye bye.